I had a business going for 6 years. Then we had all these lockdowns and looting and things that happened. The business was doing very well, but after these lockdowns, things just went worse, bad, and going downhill, and things were going bad. You end up taking out credit cards and stuff like that just to keep the business running. And eventually, 2 months ago, eventually I said, no, we can't carry on like it. Now you're left with all these accounts to pay, guys, and it can happen to anybody. It can happen to anybody. So before this should happen to you, go on to digital marketing. Get yourself a second income. Just what I'm doing. Just follow me, follow my bio, and let's work together. And we can get through these things. Guys, really, this digital marketing is keeping a guy positive in life. And there's more things to do than just one or two items. There's ebooks that you can do, there's drop shipping, a lot of things to do. So listen, guys, just follow my bio link.